everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but today we're going to unbox another goodie box. It's the goodie box of August. Is it August? Yeah, I believe so. So, if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really recommend you to do that and like, comment, hit the bell, turn the notifications on. But let's start this unboxing. Okay, so Goodiebox is a beauty subscription. You receive a box monthly with around 5 products. You can receive beauty tools, skincare, makeup, whatever. And I actually have an affiliate link in the description box you can use. If you use that, you receive a 25% off your first box, so that's amazing. It's not sponsored or anything. I just get I receive goodie points if you use it, so that's good for everyone. Okay, you get a 25% off and I receive goodie points. Eventually I can buy boxes with my goodie points. If you know what a Glossybox is, you pretty much get the idea. This is almost the same, but I prefer Goodiebox. So let's open her up. That's very bright. So you always receive this black box and this little jar. You can receive in different shades and prints, and yeah, they always a new look to the box every month. So I just take this, put it aside. This is the first time I do my makeup in weeks, maybe months. As I've revealed in another video, I'm pregnant and I realized my skin is so dry, so it was really a struggle to do my makeup today. I don't know if I'm going to continue to do my makeup during this pregnancy. We'll see. So it's the Claim Your Happiness box. Inside of this little paper we have descriptions of all of the products. We will read this as a last step. I want to see the products first. It's almost like Christmas, opening her up, don't know what's inside. Love it. I just unwrap it a bit and then I reach for one product at a time. Okay. Oh, Carameju. Star Age Defense, Me Clear Water, 02, Soothe All Skin Types, 3-in-1 Makeup Remover, Cleanse, Tone, Hydrate, Eyes, Face, Lips, Pure Natural Active. I recognize the brand and we have received products from them earlier or before. Makeup remover, that's good, but I'm not really doing my makeup at the moment. But I know I normally really appreciate makeup removers. You run out of them so fast, and it's a big size. It's 200 milliliters, so that's amazing. It will last you a while, so good product. We're moving on. Able Skincare London Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream, 50 milliliters, and it looks very expensive. Apply in the evening after cleansing and applying your serum. Okay, cruelty free. 50 milliliters, that's a really good size for a night cream. It's not, well, maybe it is full size, I'm not sure, but it's not a travel size or mini size, so we like that. And I recognize the brand. I'm not sure from what, but yeah, okay. I'm not overly happy about skincare products. It's not my thing. I prefer makeup, but I'm fine with it because I know all beauty boxes today contain mostly skincare products, so I've just accepted the fact. Moving on. And The Cure, Clear Vision Multi Boost Eye Serum, Decure Raw Perfection, Multi Boost Eye Serum, vegan, 15 milliliters. We received products from this brand in the last month's box. Some kind of serum as well, I think. And we have received a lot of products from this brand before or earlier. And I know they're really good. They have really high quality products, but I think they have some new... they've done some new branding. It looks a bit different. So the first time I saw this new logo and everything, I didn't really recognize it. But when I searched on internet, I saw it's the same brand. So they've done some new designs. But they have been very appreciated. They're very expensive, and I know people like their products. Next product, and we have some makeup. This is an eyeshadow, I think, from Sandstone. Infinite. What? Summer bronzer, 32 Summer Glow. Okay, I'm pretty confident I have more products from them. That's nice. We haven't received makeup products in a long time. Summer Glow. But it looks matte. Definitely going to try that out in another video. Now I'm happy. We have a big box. Gold made with love. Gold hair care. Professional hair care. Hair scalp massager. Silicone scalp brush for stimulating and exfoliating your scalp. Oh. This looks expensive. Okay. We need to read about that one. But it looks expensive. That's a fun product. Something you never buy, but you love to have it. Love the packaging and the look of the product. And I love that it's a tool. It's something else than just a cream or something. At first sight, I thought it was a hair mask. Let's read. Able Skincare Full Size Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. Recommended price around $58. Just because I have an English speaking channel, I would appreciate receiving these in English, but they're in Swedish. So yeah, let's see if we find anything interesting about these products other from the description on the actual packaging. But yeah, it's just a night cream. It gives moisture and stuff, cleans your face before applying it. Karma Meiju Full Size Stormy Clear Water 02. Recommended price $22. It's a gold star in our eyes. 3-in-1 cleansing water. You don't have to rinse your face after using this cleansing water. So that's a very good product to have in your bag or when you're going away. Gold Professional Full Size Hair Scalp Massager. Recommended price $20. Dry brushing isn't just good for your skin, it's also extremely soothing. It removes dead skin scales, yeah, and a lot of styling products. It helps your scalp to breathe and it increases the blood circulation. Good translation. So if you use this, it will prevent you from losing a lot of hair. Is it really? I'm curious. Use it in dry, wet or damp hair in 2 to 3 minutes. Gently press and massage the scalp in small circular or zigzag motions over the whole scalp to prevent the hair to be frizzle. For the hair to frizzle, no? For the hair to mess. No, my English today. I'm sorry, guys. Sandstone Scandinavia Summer Bronzer. Recommended price $35 for 9 grams. You receive 6 grams for a worth of $22. That's expensive. It gives you a beautiful skin the whole summer. It gives you a natural look. It doesn't contain perfume. We recommend you to apply with a kabuki brush for the best result. Okay. D-Cure Multi-Boost Eye Serum, full size, recommended price $79. I told you, this is an expensive brand. You get to try this serum before everyone else, so it's a new product. It's good for dark circles under your eyes or around your eyes. If you have tired eyes and bags under them, this is a miracle. Apply morning or and evening. Gently dot it with your finger under your eyes. So that's all of the products, and we received 5 products. 4 of them are full size. The bronzer was the only product we received in a smaller size, and I'm fine with that. So what do you think? I think it's a good box. We have some really expensive products, we have some really fun products, and I think I will actually use pretty much all of these. And I love that they included some makeup for once. It's been a while, and I really look forward to open the next box, and I hope they include even more makeup products. I love when they include makeup brushes. That makes me ridiculously happy. So I can always hope for that, but I'm happy as it is. The box wasn't really my shade this month, but yeah, it will make someone happy, I'm sure, so it's fine by me. I have so many boxes, so yeah, whatever. But yeah, that's everything for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell and turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. And I see you in the next one. Bye.